قال الله تعالى في القرآن الكريم بعد أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also said, after the Khutbatul Hajj is a very special ayah dedicated for our brothers and sisters. وَلَا تَقُولُوا لِمَنْ يُقْتَلُوا فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ أَمْوَاتٌ بَلْ أَحْيَاءٌ وَلَكِنْ لَا تَشْعُرُونَ. صدق الله العلي العظيم. Dear brothers and sisters, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, after the Khutbatul Hajj, Masnoon Khutbah you heard, Allah says that don't call those people dead who died in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Indeed, they are living. Indeed, they are living. It's just that you don't realize that life. Which reminds us of what our brothers and sisters in Gaza, Palestine, and all over the Ummah, what they are going through. Whether it's the catastrophes, you heard an entire khutbah about these catastrophes, the earthquakes and floods. And if you may recall, vaguely, hopefully you will remember, that Prophet ﷺ did tell us that my ummah, its trials and tribulations are mostly here. They won't be in greater trials up there as the others would be. For others, trials and tribulations are less here and greater there. That's a good news for us. So yes, even in this there is a good news. عذابها ليس عذابها في الآخرة. Remember that hadith? It has balaya, it has fitan, it has haraj, bloodshed. We will face that. And why wouldn't we? Allah says, أم حسبتم أن تتركوا ولما يعلم الله الذين جاهدوا منكم. Do you think you'd be just left like that and Allah will not test you who will be true in their struggle, in their resort, in their commitment? وَاللَّهُ يَعْلَمُ الصَّابِرِينَ. And Allah knows. أَمْ حَسِبْتُمْ أَن تَدْخُلُوا الْجَنَّةِ. Do you think you will go to Jannah just like that? Paradise will be just there for you for nothing, for doing nothing? It's very expensive commodity. There is nothing like paradise on this earth. Not even the blessings, the fragrances of paradise, not even a drop of that, even a hint of those fragrances. It cannot be equated to anything on this world and what's beyond. That's ghali. It's a very expensive commodity. So Allah says that expensive commodity, you will have it just like that. أَمْ حَسِبْتُمْ أَن تَدْخُلُوا الْجَنَّةِ وَلَمَّا يَأْتِكُمْ مَثَلُ الَّذِينَ خَلَوْا مِنْ قَبْلِكُمْ مستهم البأساء والضراء وزلزلوا حتى يقول الرسول والذين آمنوا معه متى نصر الله. You think you will enter Jannah just like that? And you shall not be tested as the people, you shall not face, or you will not be tested, similar meaning, that happened to people before you? Upon them hardships, difficulties, apparently dunya-wise, bad things happened to them, harms came to them. And Prophet told us so much so that people were split into halves within saw. Until the messenger says, oh God, and the believers with him, mu'mineen, like today they're saying, Mata Nasrullah, when will help of Allah come? Allah says, right away he says, Ala inna nasrallahi qareeb. Help of Allah is near.